Many Wing Chun students believe they understand Tan Sau, but the truth is most people are doing it completely wrong. Tan Sau is not just a block. It is not just a hand position. Tan Sau is one of the most important foundations of Wing Chun stance. Tan Sau is one of the most important foundations of Wing Chun structure. Today I will show you how Tan Sau really works and why this simple movement can change your entire Wing Chun. Welcome to Wing Chun Wisdom. My name is Austin Goh. For more than 50 years, I practiced and taught Wing Chun, beginning in the late 1970s, representing the Yip Man Wing Chun lineage through Sifu Lee Sing. Over the years, I've seen many students practice Tan Sau, but very few truly understand the structure, energy, and purpose behind it. Today, we will go deep into one single technique, Tan Sau, because if you understand Tan Sau, it will improve your structure, centerline control, sensitivity, and your entire Wing Chun foundation. In the old days, when we trained Wing Chun, we did not rush. We spent months on basic structure, Silim Tao, Tan Sau, Bong Sau, Fok Sau. These were trained thousands of times. Why? Because Wing Chun is not about collecting techniques, it's about perfecting the foundation. Even after 50 years of practice, I still return to these basics. Let me show you what is Tan Sau. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Before we start, let's remind us the Wing Chun structure. And before we start, let remind us the Wing Chun structure and foundation. So feet together, both fists on the side of your chest, Wing Chun stance, knees slightly bend, and then just bend up and down slightly, just to feel the force from the ground on your feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we check the center line. Make sure the body doesn't bend forward or back, lean to the left or right. And then when we punch, do not extend the shoulder stay square, firm, and relax. And power comes from the center of your body. Now to check your center line, Tan Sau and Wu Sau. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now your middle fingers in line with your nose. Then you know your center line is correct. And just remember, in Wing Chun, the power comes from the ground, to your feet, to your legs, into the shoulder. If the shoulder is like a trigger, you send the force up through your body, your spine. So your spine has to be aligned in straight line. And then your shoulder, your arm, and out to your fist in the center. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is Tan Sau? Tan Sau means palm up. Tan Sau means palm up hand. But the meaning is deeper than just the palm facing up. Tan Sau is about structure, center line, control, and forward intent. But the meaning is deeper than just palm facing up. Tan Sau is about structure, center line control, forward energy. Really? And just, can you see my hand? Tan Sau moving forward. Elbow position, wrist alignment, and relaxation. Shoulder tension, not the tense shoulder. Structure weak, you see, collapsing. So you need to have a correct structure to have a good Tan Sau. You need to make sure that your structure and your foundation are strong and correct. That's why it's important we understand the foundation of Wing Chun and the stance of Wing Chun. Really? I can see in the correct Tan Sau, the elbow stay down and calm. It's about punch away. Shoulder relax. The energy is forward, not outward or downward. Protect the center line. The elbow controls the power, not the hand. Where power comes from the power comes from the ground to your feet. The powers come from the ground to your feet, to your leg, into the waist. The waist will send, it's like the trigger, send the force up to your body and spine, shoulder, arm, and out to the fist. So real Wing Chun power does not come from the arms. Real Wing Chun power does not come from the arms. It comes from the ground to your feet, to your leg, waist, spine, shoulder, arm, and out in the arm. So Tan Sau is connected to your bodies. So let's practice Tan Sau together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it controls the center line. And then you can transition to punch. Tan Sau to punch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Tan Sau is not just a defense. It creates an opportunity to attack immediately. So Tan Sau and punch. Tan Sau and punch. Tan Sau and punch. Punch. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And relax. Tan Sau teaches you relaxation. Tan Sau teaches you relaxation, structure, sensitivity, centerline, awareness. If you understand Tan Sau, you begin to understand if you understand Tan Sau, you begin to understand the logic of Wing Chun. Together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Let's practice let's practice the Tan Sau together. 1, 2. Let's practice the Tan Sau and punch together. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and relax. Follow this video and practice this every day for 2 weeks. Your stance, your structure, your center line, your Tan Sau and punch will improve. Before you trust your chain punch, take 2 minutes for this test. Will your chain punch fail you? The links pinned below. Wing Chun is not about complicated techniques. Sometimes one simple movement practiced correctly can teach you everything about the system. Tan Sau may look simple, but inside this movement is structure, energy, and strategy. Train it slowly, train it correctly, and over time, you will discover the real depth of Wing Chun. This is Wing Chun Wisdom. See you in the next video. Before you move on, take a moment to test your own Wing Chun. I have made a free 2-minute test. Will your chain punch fail you? Record 1 round, score yourself, and I'll show you the drills to strengthen what's missing. The links in the description.